Think you know history? Think again. Today, we're diving into the incredible saga of
Widow remarriage refers to the marriage of a woman whose husband has passed away, and she is living a life of widowhood. This issue was a significant concern in the Brahmo Samaj, and notable efforts were made by the Samaj to popularize it. Raja Ram Mohan Roy established the Brahmo Sabha in 1828, which later came to be known as the Brahmo Samaj. However, the most important contribution to this cause came from Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, 1826 to 1891, who was a professor at the Sanskrit College in Calcutta. He proved through Sanskrit and Vedic references that the Vedas allow widow remarriage. He sent a petition to the government with thousands of signatures in support of this cause. Vidyasagar fought a long battle for widow remarriage and raised a powerful voice in favor of it in 1855, using profound traditional knowledge to support his stance. Numerous petitions were sent to the government from cities like Bengal, Madras, Bombay, Nagpur, and other parts of India, requesting the passing of a law to make widow remarriage legal. The movement was successful, and a law was passed. The first legal Hindu widow remarriage in the higher castes of the country took place in Kolkata on December 7, 1856, under Vidyasagar's guidance and supervision. Thanks to his efforts, 25 widow remarriages took place between 1855 and 1860. Vidyasagar also opposed child marriage in 1850 and campaigned against polygamy throughout his life. He was deeply interested in women's education and, as a government inspector of schools, founded 25 girls' schools. Ultimately, his efforts led to the passage of the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act in 1856, which legalized widow remarriage and declared children born out of such marriages legitimate. This law, also known as Act 15 of 1856, was passed on July 16, 1856, and came into effect on July 26, 1856. The law was drafted by Lord Dalhousie and passed by Lord Canning. It was the first major social reform law after the abolition of the sati system. Under this law, widow marriages were legalized, and children born from such marriages were not considered illegitimate. Vidyasagar also wrote a Bengali alphabet that is still in use today. In Maharashtra, Jagannath Shankar Seth and Bhau Daji made significant contributions in this direction. In 1850, Vishnu Shastri Pandit established the Widow Remarriage Association. In Gujarat, Karsondas Mulji's establishment of Satyaprakash in 1852 also made notable efforts toward widow remarriage. Similar efforts were made in Bombay by Professor D. K. Karve of Fergusson College and in Madras by Veerasalingam Pantulu. Professor Karve himself married a widow in 1893 after becoming a widower. He was the secretary of the Widow Remarriage Association, and, in 1899, established a widows' home in Pune, providing livelihoods for widows. In 1906, he founded the Indian Women's University in Bombay. Along with these efforts, B. M. Malabari, Narmada, Justice Govind Mahadev Ranade, and K. Natarajan also made remarkable contributions to the cause of widow remarriage. According to ancient texts like the Narada and Parashara Smritis, widow remarriage was given legal recognition for 5 reasons. 1. If the husband dies in an accident. 2. If the husband passes away. 3. If the husband renounces the world. 4. If the husband is important. 5. If the husband is immoral.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video with a new topic. Bye bye.